Hey guys, it's Vickie Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm super excited because I'm going to be unboxing the Toward the Sun warmer. It's so cute. I cannot wait to put it in my kitchen. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. Okay, so we are going to unbox the Toward the Sun mini warmer. And it's so cute. When I was at World Tour and we got to see the new products, this was at the very top of my list. I just thought it was so cute. So we are going to unbox it right now. I am so excited to have this warmer. Okay, paperwork. I throw mine away. Okay, so if you've never seen a mini warmer, this is the thing you plug in and you turn it on and off here. And this is cool right here, this button. If your outlet is horizontal and not vertical, you just change this so you can plug it in. But mine's vertical, so we're gonna leave it like that. Okay, then you get this little washer, which it looks like they already put one on. Okay, they already put one on, but they give you a washer. A lot of people are like, what do I do with this? What is this for? You put it right here under this tab, and that is to keep the warmer secure so that it doesn't lean, like if it's a heavy warmer. And then you also get a bulb. I am going to keep this one wrapped up because I have a bulb that's been used and I want to use up my old bulbs. So we're going to do that. So what you would do is you go ahead and screw in the bulb. Then I'm going to show you the warmer. The warmer is so pretty. You guys know that I love like boho, Western boho. And so this is like right up my alley. It's so pretty. It has like sunflowers on it and it's gorge. Gorge. Okay, so this is the warmer. It's just a pretty, like kind of a mustardy yellow. I guess it's a little brighter than mustard. Super cute. The dish is right there. So you take your warmer and see these little notches? You line it up and turn. Boom. Boom sauce. Boom sauce. Okay, so I actually am going to put it on a tabletop base, which you can buy additional. So if you want to display your mini warmer on a tabletop, on a shelf or whatever, you can buy these additional for $15. If it's a ceramic or a metal warmer, metal goes on the ceramic base. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. We're going to take it back off. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to screw in the light bulb so I can show it to you plugged in. Okay. And now I'm going to screw this on here. Okay. And so now we're ready to turn it on. All right. 1, 2, and 3. I just love it. I think it's so stinking pretty. I love this one. It's just so pretty on. It's so pretty. I just love, I cannot wait to put it in my kitchen. I'm actually going to go ahead and I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to go put it in my kitchen and show you what it looks like. So be right back. Okay, so I'm going to put it in there. I think it'll look cute. It's on my counter next to my stove. So let's go ahead and plug that in. I think I'll put it up high. Oh, I didn't. So there you go. You turn it on and off there. And I'm going to add 1 cube of hazelnut latte because that's what I have going on in the house right now. So let me go ahead and put that in there. It's absolutely stunning. I love, love, love that warmer. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, please like, subscribe, follow me everywhere. And I hope you're having a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.